Welcome to your opt-out instructions. It's important to complete all fields. Please ensure that your student ID number and your email address are correct. You can use either your school email or your personal email. The program name is the name of the program you are taking in school. The program start date is the date you started that program. After completing all the fields, select Next. The health plan is a mandatory universal plan. You are not able to opt out. The dental plan offers an opt-out with proof of comparable alternative insurance coverage. Choose Yes if you wish to opt out of dental and have proof of alternative insurance. You must enter the insurance company name and plan or policy number. Select your relationship to the plan member for the alternative insurance. Then select Next. You must upload a proof of coverage document. Proof may be any of the following documents listed here. Once uploaded, select Next. Please read the terms and conditions as it has very important information for you to know. Then check the Agree to box. Select Submit. You will receive an email confirmation stating that you have applied to opt out. You must keep this email as proof that you opted out. Note, please check your junk mail.